Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use chroma key for your videos, aka green screen. I recorded a video not too long ago and the resolution was really messed up with that. I had a setting on Bandicam that was recording at half size, so we're not going to work with that. So let's get started. I'm going to use the same video as the last one. Let's open Shotcut. Alright, so here we are. Let's go ahead and grab our video file and drag it in the window. And we'll drag it down to the timeline, make sure it's on timeline, or it'll give you nothing. So, let's say you want to add a green screen effect to your video, like a flaming border. Now we're gonna first I go to YouTube and I look up green screen effects, and usually they'll give you flame borders, and you just look it up on YouTube, and then they'll have free videos with green screen effects. So you just want to take that video, download it, and I've already got 3 of them here, so we're going to use a flame border for this one, and that's what it looks like. So now we're going to go down here to our tracks, right click, track operations, and add video track. So now we're going to drag this down to the second track, and here we have our flame border. It's overlaid on top of the video. The chroma key is not in effect yet, so it just shows green. So now to do that, you're going to select the clip, go to filters, the plus, and we're going to type in key. And here you have 2 options. You have chroma key advanced and chroma key simple. For this, we're going to use chroma key simple, and you can use that for most green screen effects. So let's click that, and see it's already pre-selected as green, but it's not the same shade of green. So what you want to do is ignore presets, where you have key color, where it's a lime green. This green screen video has a dark green color, so we're going to click this little, it looks like an eyedropper, I guess, and go to the project screen, click on that color, and there you have it. So now the distance value pretty much determines the amount of blend that your green screen video after the chroma key has been put in effect, how much it blends into the video underlaid on it. I hope that makes sense. I didn't explain it very well. But so when you bring the distance up, it'll blend it a little bit more until it goes until it pretty much turns into an opacity setting. But for the purpose of this video, we're going to use 52%. And the next thing we're going to want to do is we want to blend this a little bit better. I want to make the flames red, so we're going to go to plus, and we're going to go to, well, first we're gonna increase the contrast a little bit. So let's bring that up. It's gonna wig out a little bit there, but that's normal. So the contrast is up. That looks a little bit better. Now let's type in saturation. And now the saturation setting and the hue lightness saturation settings are very similar. The saturation just determines how much color is in the video. So we're going to go to hue lightness and saturation, which is my preferred setting, because you can adjust all 3 values in one. So now for saturation, we're going to turn that up. Does that look better? No. We're going to turn it down. That looks a little bit better. We want the flames to be kind of reddish. So maybe we'll increase the saturation. Or decrease the lightness. So now they're slowly turning red. The hue we're going to set back. And there we have it, red flames. So now I'm going to disable the audio, press play, and there you have it. The frame rate is going to be low in your source window because, like I said in the last video, Shotcut demands a lot of CPU and RAM usage. It's a very demanding program to run on your computer, especially for one like mine. Mine is a very cheap laptop, so it's going to be a low frame rate. And that's how I edit all my videos. I just deal with it. I've learned to edit with that handicap. So anyways, let's go ahead and copy this. We're going to press this button right here, skip to the next point, which will bring us to the very end of where it stops showing up, and then we're going to do edit and paste. And now we're going to do that. It's already at the end of this point, so we're going to go ahead and edit and paste. One more time, edit and paste. So now what we want to do is we want to reverse back to the last point, because this is just a chroma key effect. This is overlapping the initial video. So now we're going to skip to the end of this point right here, split it playhead, and we're going to delete it. And here we go, it lines up with the original video. And now you have the flame effect throughout the entire video. And you can do that with other effects too. Let's go ahead and add another track. And now we're going to go ahead and add my intro onto this video. So my intro is a blue screen. So let's go ahead and drag this onto the third track now. And we're going to do the same thing. We're going to type in key, simple, and we're going to select the color picker and press that blue. And for the purpose of this video, I'm going to turn it up to 53% distance. This way it erases any blue markings that might be on the screen or whatnot. And now in our low frame rate, you can see that my intro is now overlaid on top of the video along with the flame effect. So you can do that as many times as you want to. And that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching. I hope you got something from it, and I'll see you in the next one.
Gray, the days are long, caught in a world that feels so wrong. No light to guide, just endless night. We're lost in shadows.